Today, we've got something legendary, the Union LA-X Air Jordan 1 High OG. Let's dive right into it. And there it is, the Union LA-X Air Jordan 1 High OG. Just look at these beauties. The craftsmanship, the color blocking, the vintage aesthetic, this is a sneakerhead's dream. Let's talk details. Starting with the upper, you've got this premium leather paired with suede overlays. The stitching. It's exposed, giving it that deconstructed, raw look Union is known for. The colorway, classic yet fresh, a nod to the OG Jordan 1 with a twist. Check out the tongue. It's got that unfinished design and dual branding with the Union LA tag. The laces come in two-tone options, so you can customize the look. Now, the midsole has this aged effect, giving it a worn-in, vintage vibe. And the outsole. Classic Jordan 1 traction for that iconic feel and grip. This shoe is not just a looker, it's got history and storytelling built into every stitch. Whether you're rocking them on the streets or keeping them on ice, these are a must-have. Now, for those of you wanting to cop these right now, I've got some great news. You can grab them on sale at repsneaker.net. And here's the best part, use the exclusive coupon code Rsnow for an even sweeter deal. Don't miss out. If you're a sneaker enthusiast, now is the perfect time to visit repsneaker.net. Their exciting Christmas sale is in full swing, offering unbeatable discounts on a wide range of premium replica sneakers. Whether you're eyeing iconic Jordans, stylish Yeezys, or classic Air Forces, this sale ensures you'll find something to elevate your sneaker game without breaking the bank. Don't miss the chance to snag your favorite kicks at incredible prices this holiday season. Shop now and step into style for the new year.